Hi guys, good morning. This is the 13th of July 2007, Friday. It's 20 past 8 a.m. in the morning. I've just I went through all my watch list for the day. I sent the emails to the folks in my emailing list, so I've got some time. So I thought perhaps I could update you on what's going on with the trades that I took yesterday. You might want to rewatch the yesterday's video on the blog. Okay. Well, first of all, I'm going to show you the trade that I'm still involved with, the Euro JPY. That trade was taken 2 weeks ago. Entry level was right there. Last Friday I took half my position out around there, and yesterday in the overnight session we came within 3 pips of my final target. My final target is 168.95, and well, price rallied all the way up to 168.92, so 3 pips away. Unfortunately, I'm still in the position, even though like I said, I was so close to book the full profit of it. Let's hope in the overnight session we've seen about 50 pips retrace back to the 165.50 area. Let's hope that that round number and this previous swing low hold the retracement, and we see a final push to the upside, finally knocking me out at full profits. Okay. Next up, yesterday I also took a short entry on the the American dollar against the Canadian dollar, right there at 105.95. Okay, remember this retracement trendline breakout pullback continuation that I traded right there. The trade plan, if you remember, was to exit half of my lot size at 104.50, which I did. Okay, plus 40 pips on that first half of the trade, and move stop to break even from here down to entry levels. Okay, so now this is a risk-free trade, some profits booked. Okay, and letting the second half run to the downside to its full potential. Alright, next up, a few days ago I entered also a short entry on the Australian against the New Zealand dollar. You guys remember, well, I don't know if you may want to rewatch that video a few days ago. It was a reversal formation in the direction of the long term as per the daily charts. Okay, downtrend, very clear downtrend. Okay, making lower lows and lower highs. And well, I entered off a reversal formation form right off a confluence of different elements of resistance. This is the M formation, the reversal formation, with a retracement trend line breakout. I triggered my short entry right there. It moved very nicely in my direction. I moved to stop to break even, which got knocked out right there in the overnight session. Okay, a shame because it seems like it's again pulling back down into my direction, but oh well, nonetheless that's trading. Okay, plus 0 on this trade. The reason as of why I moved stop to break even in this one is because I entered another New Zealand dollar related trade, and I didn't want to double expose my risk to that particular currency pair. As I explained yesterday, I was liking how we were breaking consecutive retracement trend lines in the GBP New Zealand dollar. Perhaps, like I said, you may want to rewatch yesterday's video. And I entered off this breakout pullback continuation. I triggered my short entry right there at 258.95. Okay. And as I enter this trade, I moved to stop to break even in the previous one. Again, the one that I've just showed you, the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. From here to break even, and well, knocked out there at 0. So this one is going off my charts. Still involved in this one, in the GBP against the New Zealand dollar. We've seen an almost 200 pip spike on the overnight session. You see this run to the upside, which has has kind of scared me, to be honest. Okay, that's why I've trailed my stop from here down to here, well, to, you know, offset a little bit of the risk. Seems like still we are it's not looking that bad, because it seems that we found resistance of the last up retracement trend line. Okay, the last retracement trend line that was formed by the 1 2 3 breakout pattern of the previous retracement trend line. That's the breakout, that the 1 2 3 formation that got me into the trade. But also this 1 2 3 formation has effectively created a whole new trend line, which seems that it held the bounce. Okay, so I am confident that we may see a move down from here. Okay, nonetheless, like I say, as I always say, trading is all about minimizing risks, and well, I'm going to offset some risk off the table. I'm going to reduce the heat, and well, I'm moving to stop my stop loss 30 pips from there down to here. Okay. Entry level is here. So far, as you can see, I am and this was entry level. This is current market price level, and I'm plus 50 pips more or less in profit. That's about it, really, guys. So to recap a little bit, American dollar against the Canadian dollar, plus 40 pips on the first half of the lot size, and a stop loss move to break even. Euro against the JPY, I hardly only 3 pips away from my final target. Still hoping to get hit that level, the 168.95 level, today. If not, I'm not gonna hold it overnight. I'm just gonna close it out at whatever price it is. Okay, I don't want to. I don't want to hold it over the weekends. Okay, being so close from my stop from my final target. Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar stopped out at break even, and still positioned short on the GBP against the New Zealand dollar, plus 51 pip right now in profit. Okay, guys, that's all. I'll keep you updated. Bye bye.